Days before Palarong Pambansa opens in Pangasinan, track and field, athletics, football, volleyball, and sepak takraw athletes warm up and get to know each other. The local government says it is all set to host this year's Palaro at the Narciso Ramos Sports Center.
Well, we're going to try as much as possible to keep everything simple, no? Simple and as basic as we would like the Palarong Pambansa opening to be, bringing out the true essence of Palaro, which is for the youth.
Most of the 17 games, both in the elementary and secondary levels, will begin on Sunday. But opening ceremonies won't be held until Monday, with President Noynoy Aquino as guest speaker. A total gun ban is already in place in the province.
Things may not be as relaxed as how some people would like it, but anyway, that is the character already here in Pangasinan. We try to do everything as top caliber as possible.
Around 2,500 performers, mostly students from Pangasinan schools, will be in the opening program. Native songs and dances will highlight the cultural heritage of Pangasinan. The message of this year's Palaro, national unity through sports. David Santos, Rappler, Pangasinan.